question is this: how do I change my LinkedIn profile without anyone noticing? We'll talk about that in this video, but before I do, hit that subscribe and notify button because I create all of this content for you. How do I change my LinkedIn profile without anyone noticing? Well, that brings to mind a powerful question to me. Why would you want to do that? Now, I get it. There are times where you may be working for an organization in one industry in a particular role, and you're moving to maybe a different industry and a different role. Example, I spent many years in the IT industry as an IT consultant, and I rebranded myself completely in 2010 to be a social media strategist, a LinkedIn trainer and coach. That was a huge shift. And I surely did not want my boss back then to know this is where I was going until I was ready to let him know this is where I was going. So you may have that challenge. And if you do have that challenge, again, the challenge is I got a paycheck coming from this guy doing something I no longer am going to be doing, then you better be cautious. And maybe you shouldn't completely rewrite your LinkedIn profile in a whole nother way that's contradictory to what you're doing today. So in that regards, I would be very careful. I would simplify the changes you're making and maybe add some skills, maybe add some courses, maybe start engaging on content in that new space while you keep engaging on content in the old space to a lesser amount over time. But I would not rewrite my headline. I would not rewrite my LinkedIn about section or add a new job that is contradictory to the one that is providing the check today until you are ready to tell the entire world that you are now something different. And that might mean you have to quit your job. That might mean you have to, take the risk of getting fired, whatever it is. But I would not completely rebrand myself on LinkedIn until I am ready to go public with that knowledge, with that insight, with people noticing that. And so again, do it slow. Add some skills, maybe add some certifications, maybe add some courses, maybe start talking about this whole new world that you're heading towards while you're still in this old world, again, until you are ready to tell the world that you are completely rebranding. Be cautious, start the journey, but don't go slow until you're ready to go big. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope these ideas are useful for you.